how to use a vanilla gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use a vanilla gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can use a vanilla gift card online depending upon any of the website where they accept credit or debit card. So you have to enter credit or debit card as payment method. You should not select gift card as a payment method. So if you have a vanilla gift card, first of all open your browser, go to balance.vanillagift.com, because if you haven't activated your card you might want to come to this page to activate your vanilla gift card, and also make sure to check your balance, because this is the page which you can use to check your vanilla gift card balance. Now let's say you're trying to use it on a site, which in this case I'm only taking Walmart for example. By the way, you can use the gift card on your, let's say, Amazon, eBay, wherever else. Just go to the checkout process of that website, and in the payment method you have to enter the card number as you normally do. Do not select gift card. If there is the option called gift card, do not select that as a payment method. You have to select credit or debit card as a payment method, and then only you will be able to enter the card number as you normally do. Then you should be able to from there on go about actually redeeming or using a vanilla gift card online. This way you'll be able to use your vanilla gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.